Hey everyone, welcome to day 8 of our JavaScript 30-day challenge. Today we are jumping into one of the most important concepts in JavaScript, arrays. So array let you store multiple values in a single variable and are used in nearly every real world project. So in this video, you will learn what an array is, how to create one, how to use push, pop and length, how to access and update elements. So let's get started. So let's understand what is an array. So an array is a list of values stored in a single variable. For example, let fruits equals to, in the square braces we'll add the elements like apple, mango, grapes, and we can print this by using console.log. We just say fruits. So we got apple, mango and grapes. So arrays are written inside square brackets. So this is the square brackets and we have written the elements inside that, and items are separated by commas. Now let's see how we can access these array elements. So if I want to access apple, so in the fruits I will just say I will provide the index of that apple. So the index starts from 0. So apple will be having the index 0, and we'll just copy and I will change the index 1 and 2. So let's see the output. So we got apple, mango and grapes. Now let's see how we can update the elements in array. So now let's say if I want to replace mango with orange. So for that I will just say fruits of, so the index of mango is 1 and I will say equals to and say orange. Now I will console this fruits of 0 and I will add the message after, and this is before. So let me comment this too. Let's see. So before updating the array we had mango, and after updating the array we have got orange. So we can directly change a value by using its index. Now let's see how we can add an element to end of an array. So for that, so here we have this fruits array. So I will just say fruits dot, so we have this function called push, and for this we need to provide the elements. So for example, grapes. Now after this I will just print the console.log fruits. So I will just say after, and I will call and I will add before as well. So before it was apple, mango and grapes. Now after that it has become apple, mango, grapes, and we have added again grapes. So I will just change it to strawberry. So we got strawberry. So we can push as many items we want. We have also a function to remove the last item from a list. So for that we just say, instead of push we just say pop, and we don't need to pass anything. So I will just see the output. So before we had apple, mango and grapes. After popping the last element, that is grapes, we have only apple and mango now. And it also returned the removed items. So for example, we can just say let removed fruit equals to fruits.pop off, and we have this, and I will add one more console.log removed fruits is, and I will say removed fruit. So let's see the output. So we have before apple, mango, grapes. So the grapes was removed, so the removed fruits is grapes, and after that we have apple and mango. How to get this length of this array? For that we have length. So I will just directly print that console.log fruits length are, fruits length is So I will just say comma fruits dot length. So we have 3, and we can also use this length for accessing the last element. For example, so I will just say last fruit is, so we have this fruits of length, and I will say fruits inside the square braces. So we have fruits of 3, that is 0 1 2 3. So to get the last element, so we have to subtract -1. So now we'll get the grapes. So as you can see, last fruit is grapes. Now we'll see how we can loop through an array. So we'll just comment this. So we have this fruits array. I will use for loop for, and I will take one variable let I equals to 0, I less than fruits dot length. So it should loop through the length of the fruits list, and I will say increment in each iteration. So I plus plus, and I will print console.log fruit colon, and I will say fruits of I. So let's see the output. So we got fruit apple, fruit mango, fruit grapes. So now let's say if we want to add fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3. So for that, so we need to change this little bit. So I will just say fruit and double quotes here, and I will say I will take this I value and increment it with 1 because index starts from 0. So I have to say I 1. Then I will say comma, and for this colon I will add comma, and inside the double quotes I will just add colon. So let's see. So we got fruit 1 2 3, apple, mango and grapes. So this helps when you want to process or display every item. So let's see what we learned today. So we understood what is array is, how we can add the elements by using the push, and how we can remove the elements using pop, and how we can find the length of a number of items, and also access or update items at specific index. So arrays helps you manage lists, groups, collections. So these are used in forms, menus, shopping carts, search results, everywhere. Mini challenge for you guys. So create an array called to-do list and add 3 tasks using .push, remove the last one using .pop, print how many tasks are left using .length. Great job! Today you learned about arrays in JavaScript and mastered push, pop and length. So if you like this video, comment your challenge code, subscribe if you are enjoying this journey. See you in the day 9. Until then, happy coding.